Welcome to Triangle Proportionality Practice. We're going to use Triangle Proportionality Theorem to solve these two problems. By the rule, it says, if a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides, in the problem on our left side, it is given to us BD, segment BD, is parallel to segment AE. And also intersects at point B and point D. Intersects side AC at point B, intersects side CE at point D. That's the if, the hypothesis. Let's see what's going to happen to them. Then it divides the two sides proportionally. That means we can write our proportional relationship in different ways. We're going to choose the way called bottom to the top. So if you do bottom to the top on one side, you're going to be consistent. You're going to do bottom to the top to the other side. Therefore, I'm going to write a relationship. I'm going to say CD to DE, bottom to the top, is to CB to BA. Okay? Alright, so next step, we're gonna substitute. CD is 4. DE is 12. 4 to 12, that is 1 over 3. We can just go ahead and simplify it because it will make the later steps easier. You don't have to. It just your personal preference. You can simplify now, you can simplify later. Alright, CB to BA. CB is 3. BA is the distance we're looking for. Alright, now we can use cross multiplication, immediately find out what is the distance BA or AB, and that is 9. Okay, so now you have it. Alright, let's look at this one. Exactly same rule. Let's recall this rule one more time. If a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides, then it divides the two sides proportionally. Earlier we said there are different ways to do that. We can do top to the bottom this time. Okay, top to the bottom. Alright, let's write down. If top to the bottom, we have, let's say, AB to BC. You can go ahead and plug in BC. Is AE is 14. To ED is 12. Okay, you can simplify now, you can simplify later. Like earlier when we're here, we say we simplify right now, then we solve it later faster. Or you can keep carrying on. Let's see what's happening. We're going to use cross multiplication. Okay, and we have 12 times AB is 18 times 14. Alright, I decided to travel light. I'm going to toss the things I don't need. So 12 is 2 times 6 and times AB. 18 is 3 times 6. 14 is 2 times 7. I'm going to toss the things I don't need. I'm going to cancel out 2 left and right. Cancel out 6 left and right. And on my left side, I have AB. On my right side, I have 3 times 7, 21. 21 units it is. Thank you for learning with me.